American 178, 2 out of Lima for 25 left.
American 178, Los Angeles, good evening, traffic, 3 mile final, 737, wind calm, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Well, land 25 left, American 178.
Mix 1100 heavy, contact SoCal departures, good night.
Departure, good night, FedEx 1100.
Just prepare for immediate landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Los Angeles. Local time is just about 8:30. Please remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until we arrive at the gate. The captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Also keep the aisles clear of any personal items until we are safely parked at the gate. Before leaving the airplane tonight, please be sure you have everything with you. Be careful when opening overhead bins. Baggage may have moved and could possibly fall out. You may now switch your cell phones into out of airplane mode and begin making calls and texting and everything you need to do. I did not receive any connecting gate information, so if there are monitors throughout the airport, and a gate agent should have a list of all of your connecting gates and directions to those gates. On behalf of your Los Angeles-based flight crew, it certainly has been our pleasure having you on board tonight. We know that you have a choice of traveling by air. We thank you for choosing American Airlines, a member of the One World Alliance.